Hello and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing class 6, chapter number 4, that is whole numbers. So, let's continue. In today's video, we are going to discuss the exercise 4b that is given on your page number 61. And we have discussed few questions in the last video also, and now we are going to discuss few more questions from the same exercise. So the question number 8 says that solve as fast as you can using the properties of addition and multiplication. That means हमें proper add and multiply नहीं करना है, हमें properties use करके जल्दी जल्दी add या multiply करना है. So the first part is 365 plus 94 plus 35. So let's see हमें कैसे करेंगे, हम groupings कैसे करेंगे. See, प्रॉपर्टीज अगर हम यूज करेंगे वी कैन यूज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. दैट मीन्स 5 and 5 हमें यूनिट डिजिट पे 0 दे देगा बिकॉज इट इज 10 इन यूनिट डिजिट पे हमारे पास 0 आ जाएगा. दैट इज वाई वी आर गोइंग टू डू 365 plus 35 first and 94 later. As we have discussed the properties of addition, so we know that अगर हम groupings change करेंगे आंसर still हमारा same ही रहेगा. And when we add 365 and 35, our answer will be 400 plus 94 and this will be directly 494. So हमने addition properly नहीं करा and just property से ही हमने seconds के अंदर हमारा answer निकाल लिया. Similarly, let's see C part. This is of multiplication. 379 into 25 into 4. Now we know that 25 into 4 is 100. So पहले हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बिकॉज 379 into 100 आ जाएगा हमारे पास. एंड अगर हम जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दैट मीन्स 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. दिस इज वेरी इजी. कैसे 379 एंड वी हैव टू जस्ट पुट 2 zeros साथ में. So our answer will be 37,900. So this is how we can use the properties and solve the question as fast as we can. So let's move on to the next question. It is show that we have to show that the answer is same or not. First part states that 693 plus 432 plus 412 is equals to same number with the different groupings. पहले हम ये वाला सॉल्व करते हैं. That is first grouping 693 plus 432 plus 412. इसका आंसर निकालें. सो इसका आंसर विल बी, अगर हम फर्स्ट इन दो ग्रुप्स को सॉल्व करेंगे आर आंसर विल बी 1125 plus 412 and this gives us 1537, that is 1537. Now let's check with the different grouping, that is 693 plus 432 plus 412 and what will be our answer. पहले अब हम इस ग्रुप को सॉल्व करेंगे, that is 693 plus 844 and जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे we will get it as 1537 again. So at the end we will write that therefore the same question 432 first bracket में plus 412 is equals to 693 plus 432 plus 412. That means इन दोनों का आंसर हमारा सेम आया है. Similarly we have a second part. Second part में भी we have to do same. First हम इसको solve करते हैं first वाले part को into 20 and 63 into 5 gives us what? 63 into 5 gives us 315, that is 315 into 20. So our answer will be 6300. Similarly अब दूसरी वाली grouping को solve करते हैं 5 into 20 and this will be very simpler because 63 into 5 into 20 is 100 and this gives us directly 6300. So in the end we will write therefore we have proved that 63 into 5 in first bracket into 20 is equals to 63 into 5 into 20 in other bracket. So this is how we are going to prove that the properties are true for addition and multiplication. So the next question number 11 states that the number of students in each class of school is 25. हमारे पास स्कूल के हर एक क्लास के अंदर 25 स्टूडेंट्स हैं and fees paid by each student is 812 per month. फीस जो हर एक बच्चा दे रहा है वो क्या है 812 फॉर 1 मंथ। इफ देयर आर 40 क्लासेस, अगर हम कह रहे हैं कि टोटल वहां पे 40 क्लासेस हैं स्कूल के अंदर, तो स्कूल की टोटल फीस कलेक्शन कितनी होगी मंथ की? दैट मीन्स 25 स्टूडेंट्स इन अ क्लास इंटू 812, एक बच्चा 812 दे रहा है एक महीने की, इंटू टोटल कितनी क्लासेस है? 40 क्लासेस है। So let's see how we are going to present our answer. First, we are going to write that the fee answer. First statement will be fees paid by one student is how much? It is rupees 812 per month. And then how many number of classes are there? So there are number. How many number of students are there? So there are number of students in each class is 25. And how many classes are there? So number of classes in school is equals to 40 classes है. So अभी तक तीनों statements हमने question की ही लिखी है. So अब हमें क्या चाहिए? So therefore total fees collection चाहिए हमें. So therefore total fee collection in a month, देखो month की fee कितनी? 812. एक क्लास में बच्चे कितने? 25. एंड एक स्कूल में कितनी क्लासेस? 40. क्या हमारा टोटल फी कलेक्शन आ जाएगा? नाउ अब हम प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे किसकी? मल्टीप्लीकेशन की. एंड देखते हैं कि हम जल्दी से जल्दी कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. हमें दिख रहा है कि अगर 25 इंटू 40 करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर 1000 आ जाएगा. एज 25 फोर्जा इज 100 एंड 100 इंटू 0 इज 1000. So what we are going to do, 812 into 1000 आ गया हमारे पास, and this will be directly 812 with 3 zeros, and we will put the commas according to the Indian system of numeration, that is like this. Don't forget to write the final answer statement. Therefore total fee collection in a month is equals to rupees 8,12,000. So this is how we are going to present our answer in the questions. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. So the next is question number 12. Let's see. Find the products of the following multiplication using associative property of multiplication. हमें associative property use करनी है. We will remember this. See, first part states that 4 into 2518 into 25. We know that 25 into 4 is 100. So हम इसकी पेयरिंग चेंज कर देंगे. 2518 into 25 into 4 लिख सकते हैं हम इसे. एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टीज व्हाट? हम ग्रुपिंग्स लेते हैं अपनी कन्वीनियंस की बेसिस पे. सो हमें कन्वीनियंट लग रहा था 25 into 4 will be 100. So therefore हम क्या कर देंगे? 2518 into 100, and this will give us 2518 into 00. So this will be commas according to the Indian system of numeration. So this will be 2,51,800. So this is our answer. Similarly, let's see the second part. It is the C part, and let's see. 50 into 8 into 4 into 250. We can see that 50 into 8 is what? 400, and 25 into 4 is 100. तो हम इसकी ऐसे groupings ले ले. 50 into 8 in one group, then 4 into 250 into another group. So 50 into 8 will be 400 into this will be 1000. एंड ये तो हमारा क्वेश्चन बहुत ही सिंपल हो गया. दैट मीन्स 400 with 1 2 3 3 more zeros, and don't forget to put commas according to the Indian system of numeration. That means it will be 4 lakhs. So our answer will be 4 lakhs. This is how we are going to present our answer. If you have any doubts, you can drop your doubt in the comment section below so that we can discuss it later on. So your home task will be, you have to do exercise 4B, all the parts, all the questions in your notebooks. Until then, stay happy, take care, stay blessed, and thank you so much.